Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. First of all, heartiest greetings and welcome you all to my channel. My name is Sakshi Shreya and this is my YouTube channel where I will share my flair of art with you all. So today I'm gonna teach you all how to write a haiku poem, but before we get started, let's first get to know what is haiku. Haiku is a type of short form poetry originally from Japan. The origin of haiku poems can be traced back as far as the 9th century. It's a deeper version of poem and helps us to look at various intricate things. The hokku came to be known as haiku in the late 19th century. So now let's learn how to write a haiku poem. Well, I hope you know what are syllables. I will be making a separate tutorial video for it, but for now, let me explain you in brief. So syllables is actually a unit of organization for pronunciation. In precise, we count syllables by listening to how many vowel sounds we hear. Wait, notice the term. Vowel sounds. Yes, every syllable must have a vowel. Now let me give you examples. Say it loud. That. Count vowel sound. Is it 1? Yes, correct. Now next example is napkin. Say it loud. Count the vowel sound. Is it 2 or 3? Well, the answer is 2. Napkin, 2 syllables. Just break the word and pronounce it. Easy. Now let's come back to our topic. Again, don't stress out. Just take natural topics like seasons, nature, animal, etc. Now the next step is Google. Yes, Google the pics and just imagine you being there. Or you can take tips by reading haiku poems of other poets. It's all up to you how you process your imagination. Now let me give you an example. It's written by me. I hope you will like it. Aroma of rain brings plethora of senses, luring dusk ever. The essence of drops penetrating the deep earth, soothing soul and mind. The blithe birds chirping, the nature seems so lovely, makes me go crazy. By Sakshi Shreya. Well, how's it? Tell me in the comments. Just believe in yourself and doodle.